Hello everyone. I'll just give you an overview of what a digital business card actually it is. It is an interactive card where all the icons are working. Suppose if you click on the phone icon, it goes directly to the phone dialer and you can dial the phone from there. When you click on the email button, it goes directly to the email. You can email that person directly from there. If you click on the location button, it takes you directly to his store through the Google Maps, and you can navigate yourself to his place. This link button is directly to the website. It opens his website and you can check all the what the products are given on that website. There's a let's chat via WhatsApp. It opens the WhatsApp chat window. Even if the number is not saved, you can chat with that person directly. There are other social media links icon given on this button. Suppose if the person is having social media profiles of his business or his personal profiles, whatever he want to give, he can give it over here. He can give the Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, as many as whatever his social profiles are there, we can put it over here. Just he has to give us his link. Suppose you click on the Facebook profile, it opens his Facebook profile directly. There is a save me button. When you click on save me, it downloads the file, which uh, which is a VCF file, and it can be saved in your phone book. There is a scan me button. If anybody wants to save his contact details, just tell him to scan this QR code and all the details will be saved in his phone. Then there are few more buttons which are given on the right hand side. That is the home and products and services button. So there is a lot of information given down, so you no need to scroll it. You can directly go from the button. Just click on services, you go to the services page. Here you can see whatever the services are given. You click on the home page, you come to the home page, you go to the directly products page, you get whatever the products are there. You click on the inquiry form comes in front of you, and you have to fill the details and whatever services you're looking for, and just submit the button, and this is directly sent to the person's email box, and he will contact you immediately. Suppose if you have to make payments to this person, just click on payments. You will get all the bank details whatever are given over there, and you can transfer your amount to his account directly. Then one more thing I want to show, that is products image gallery. This is not a small image. You can view it. Just click on the image. The image size is big. You can zoom it manually. You can slide the images to right and left arrows. You can close it. So overall is just a mini website, you can see. And I think it's just 100 rupees per month. So 1250 is not a big amount. Till 30th June I have given the offer of 999. After that the amount will be 1250.